Welcome to the Echo Digital channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can produce a year's worth of content or reels for social media in 5 to 10 minutes, only using Google Sheets and Canva. And we're going to do that through Make.com. Make.com is a no-code AI-powered automation tool that connects thousands of different apps together to help you out as a business owner to automate many different aspects of your business, from customer service, I mentioned social media, um, CRMs, your sales, lead generators. There are so many different ways that you can automate and just take time off of your plate so you can utilize your time for tasks that truly matter. Again, my name is Jeff Haas. I own Ecno Digital. Um, we're an IT consulting and AI automation agency. And so we are here to help you out, to educate you on how you can automate and use AI to automate your business using AI automation such as Make.com, and also using AI agents. So if you're interested in learning more or want to partner with us, identify use cases and see how we can help you out in your business, click on the link in our bio and set up a free consultation. We would be happy to speak with you about this further and identify how we can help you. Okay, so hope you enjoy this. Again, this is a um, social media automation where we can create, take whatever your niche is in and really take like motivational quotes, add a design in Canva and do a bulk create and create a year's worth of content that you can schedule every day or even more than that if you want. Um, and set it up in 5 to 10 minutes and it's on autopilot for the rest of the year. You don't even need to touch a single thing again. So anyways, hope you enjoy this. And again, let us know if you want help or have questions. Thanks. Okay, well, let's get into this Reels Creator. So this is Make.com, and as you can see here, these are all the modules that we'll be using today. Really, this Reels Creator you only need Canva and Google Sheets, and you need an LLM. So I'm using Claude today. I wanted to see if it would do anything different. I've used ChatGPT in the past. I've used Perplexity for this as well. Um, so really what we're doing is using um, Google Sheets and using an LLM to find, for this example, I'm using a client of mine that's in the health, wellness, and fitness niche. So looking for those types of quotes to add along with the author and ask the LLM to also create a caption and hashtags that I can use for the social media post. Um, that'll go in the Google Sheets. It'll go along with the Canva design. Each line item will sync to each line item from the design in Canva. We'll update the Google Sheet once it's done. And then it's going to route to your social media channel. So this client just wants Instagram and YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels for this. But you can always add another. That's why I have this here. You can add another one for Facebook or share for TikTok, things like that. You can always add as many as you want. The same post can go to all different social media accounts that you have for your company or for yourself. Okay, so we'll get back into making it in a minute here, but let's go to Claude and we'll go through the prompt that I already completed this earlier. And so I'll add this prompt in the description as well, but you're just asking to create a list of 365 so you get a full year if you post once a day of health, wellness, and fitness, motivational, or historical quotes. And then some other instructions and add the quotes in a table so it's easy cut and paste. So as you can see, it's put everything into a table here. So you can just do a copy and paste from this. And actually, one thing I noticed with ChatGPT, it doesn't always provide all of the number of items I request. I wanted to see how Claude did, and Claude they kind of act similar. I asked for 365. I only received initially 118. Oh yeah, it looks like it's hit the max length for a message and paused its response. So it looks like it paused out or crashes out. But Anyways, as you can see here, let's go over to the Google Sheet now because I already cut and paste all these in here. So you have all the items that you need for this. So you have the ID, the status, the quote, the author, and the caption for the social media post. Okay, so now we're going to move to Canva. In Canva, you can create kind of your own design. I have the client's name here, the logo. We have the quote and the author, and then you can just pick any type of background you want. And in Canva, I'm using this is just an Instagram reel template that I'm using. So you can just start from blank. You can go in, if you have a pro account, they have all different types of backgrounds that you can use. So you can switch it up. They like this, so I'm going to keep continuing to use this template that they like, that the client likes, and go forward with it. So I've added this first one here that you can see, the author and the quote here. And so now we're going to do, and I've also added, there's music already added. So you can add anything you want in here, just do it initially here. And you also want to make sure that all of your text is going to fit, that it's going to fit correctly. So it has these lines, if you can see them there, right there. So we have the quote and the author. So now that we have that, there's music on here for, it's only 10, you can make it as long as you want. So 5 seconds, 10 seconds. I just update it to 10 seconds for these. So next we're going to do a bulk create. So you're going to hit that bulk create here on the left side. We're going to enter the data manually. And then there's just a section for the quote and the author. And it's connected. That knows that this is the quote and this is the author down here. So we're going to enter manually. First, we're going to go here. And we need to copy. Looks like we got 116 because it Claude timed out on us. But that's okay. We can always add more. Go back here and paste it. So we have all these. Okay. So we're done. Now this is already connected, so you can connect the data and figure out which one's the quote and the author. But it was already connected, so there's no need. So if you had more, additional data fields you wanted to link in here, you would have to connect that data. So this is just so it knows that the quote goes to the quote and the author goes to the author, and that's where it's supposed to be for each one. So now it's going to generate 116 designs. Okay, so we have it here. We'll click play just to check it out. And that's going to go through each one. And the one thing you might want to do is look at some of these that are kind of overlapping. And you might want to go through and just update it or update the, that's way too low. So let's go to, there we go. It's always going to stay in there, but if it's a really long quote like some of these, you might have to go in and decrease the font to make it look more appealing. Or you can do that initially at the very first one, and so it doesn't do that. But this, let's see, I'm going to do that. Okay. So you can see which ones are kind of long. You might need to go through and just take a little bit of time. It usually takes me like 5 to 10 minutes just to do that. If there are lengthy quotes like that, you can tell which ones you're going to have to go in and just kind of edit it just to make sure it looks good. But let's go ahead and run this because we have everything here. It's all set and ready to go. So I'll go back and update those other ones that are long like some of these. So now that this is ready, you have your, we have our design. So now we need to go back to make.com and we're going to set everything up. So again, Google Sheets, you're going to go to settings. You're going to add, I already have my connection set up, but you're just going to add your connection. So you're going to link your Google account, your Google Drive to make.com. And then we're going to find the Reels creator here. So that's already there. I was thinking of the Canva item. So that's there. And that's all set up. And if you comment template, I can give you this exact template. It's already, everything is pretty much already set up for you, so you don't have to do anything. You have this to do. That's what's filtering out to make sure that it equals to do and not done, because so it doesn't duplicate it. Now we're going to Canva and we're going to go through another connection. You're going to connect to your Canva account here, and looks like it already has the bulk one LP Canva reels. That's the one that we want. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to update this one. Canva reels 2. Because I saw duplicates there, I don't want to cause any issues. There it is, Canva reels 2. It's all in P4. Okay, so then you're going to save. Now this Google Sheet module, this one is going to update that column. Once it's done, it's going to update this to, and it's right here. It's going to update the status to done. So that'll be updated. So it won't duplicate that one. And then it's going to route to Instagram. So you're going to have to set up your Instagram connection to your Meta account. And it's adding this caption E. It's adding from the Google Sheet. It's adding the caption here. And then same with YouTube. In the description, it's adding that. So it's simple. Once you get in here, all your connections, we'll run it real quick, and we should see that quote out there. All right, so we're going to Instagram now. All right. On the YouTube and Instagram, so let's go here. This is their. Okay, I'm going to go to the Reels. And this should be the one that we just created. Yes, 1 minute ago. Yep. So there we have it. All right. So there you have it. Now, this type of posts, a lot of my clients use it, especially if they have, or if they have like a faceless channel. A lot of these quotes are really great. But anyways, this is an easy way. Once you set it up, once you have everything configured, it really doesn't take any time at all in Make to create that automation. The setting, the set, and the best part about this is that maybe your first automation that you create in Make.com, it takes a little bit longer because you have to go through the settings and create your connections. But once you have a connection set up for that module for your social media modules, it's a piece of cake, and it's so fast to set these up. So I hope this was beneficial to you. If you or your business needs help with automation, with AI education, AI consulting, selecting AI tools, implementing those tools, maintaining those tools, please reach out to us. We'd be happy to partner with you and your company and grow together. So click the link in the bio and reach out to us if this is helpful and you need more help. Thank you.